There is something magical about eyes. Eyes are the most prominent part of people's faces, and although they're not always easy to read, they can reveal a lot about a person. Some people claim they can read a person's entire character based on their eyes. Some people claim they can tell if someone is lying or telling the truth based on their eyes. Is this really possible? Well, according to science, there might be some truth in it. And the trick lies in the pupils. Pupils are black circles right in the middle of our eyes. The interesting thing about them is that they can dilate and constrict, meaning become bigger or smaller depending on different factors. The first and simplest factor is light. The main purpose of pupils in the first place is that they let light into the eyes. So if the room is dark, the pupils dilate, they expand in order to let more light inside. On the other side, when there is a lot of light around, they constrict or shrink because there is already enough light in the eyes. However, the change of pupil size can also be an emotional response. When you see something that you like or something that makes you excited, your pupils dilate to take in more of that view. On the other hand, when you see something negative or that you don't like, your pupils constrict to block out that image. This also goes for seeing a person you like or that you are attracted to. So if you notice that someone's pupils grow when they see you, it might mean they like you. We generally find dilated pupils more attractive. That's why people's pupils on ads are often photoshopped to be bigger. And that's also why if you're going on a date with someone, choosing a location with dimmer lighting or meeting in the evening can be a better choice than during daytime or a location with a lot of light. This same mechanism can also be used to tell if a person is lying. Pupils also dilate when your brain starts working harder. I hope you see where this is going. When someone tells the truth, their brain doesn't have to work, they just tell you the information that they have. But when someone lies, they have to come up with a new piece of information before telling it, so while their brain is working harder thinking of something, their pupils dilate. But this is also not something you should use without any caution. The safe way to approach this is to first do something called baseline. What this means is that you ask the person a couple of questions where they have no reason to lie to you, and then observe how their eyes behave when telling the truth. Then you ask the question where you think that they might be lying and observe if their eyes behave any differently than previously. If that's the case, you might want to pursue the matter a bit further because that is an indication that they might be lying. By the way, this video is a part of my new video course about nonverbal communication. This course will teach you how to read other people's body language and use your own to be more charismatic, confident, and convincing. If you want to learn more, you can find it under the link in the description below. Thank you and have a great day.